So the first one is about decoding the music of the cells. And I actually have a paper in Nature Scientific Reports from 2019 that I call ICAN. ICAN is the Sanskrit for this chorus, this musical chorus, right? So as if you're kind of listening to the music of the cell, and then you're trying to deconvolve the music of the cell. Right? So you can think of this as using a lot of my neural network style algorithms to decipher the music of the cell. And another word for music is, guess what? Computation, right? So we are trying to decode or decipher the computation in the cell. So a lot of the work that I have in this other thrust, that is genome engineering, is to do with deciphering the music or the computation of the cells. And sometimes I like saying, life is computation. Heck no, universe is computation, right? So that is a very high level way in which the two thrusts in my lab is connected. So on the one hand, I'm decoding the computation in cells, and on the other hand, I have these IoT things that I'm basically designing to make them more efficient. So that is one way of looking at the two thrusts in my lab. And the other thing is, like, we have seen literally using something called natural language processing. So NLP is a computer science domain. And this is how it came about, that, hey, if you're thinking of the language of the cells or the computation of the cells, can you borrow and fine tune from the natural language processing area and apply that to the computation of the cells to see that indeed, can we decode the language of life? So essentially, that is what we have done in a paper that we got out called Athena, which came out end of last year, Nature Scientific Reports 2019. And what it essentially does is it uses natural language processing to decode the language of the cells. And essentially what we are doing, we do error correction. So we do error correction in genomics sequenced reads using natural language processing.